Good morning, respected Honorable Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Jaiti and I am a student of class 9. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to deliver a speech on global warming. On the occasion of Earth Day, we all know that global warming is a gradual rise in the Earth's temperature. Earth's temperature has risen by the actual 0.08 degrees Celsius per decade since 1880. Due to increase of temperature, the polar ice caps are melting and seawater level are increased. Human activities are the main reasons for this global warming and mainly caused due to the burning of fossil fuels. The burning of fossil fuels leads to release the greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane and NO2. The greenhouse gases absorb the sun's heat and radiates from the Earth's surface, trap it in the atmosphere and prevent it from the escaping into space. The greenhouse gases effects keeps the Earth's temperature warmer than it would otherwise be. Volcanoes eruptions, deforestation, mining and cattle rearing, etc. are some causes of the global warming. Global warming has become the grave problem which needs undivided attention. Global warming can be stopped when the combined efforts are put in the government and individual. Both have to take efforts to reduce global warming. The deforestation should be stopped and plantation of trees should be encouraged. The use of plastic should be avoided and recycling the material should be done wherever it possible. We must aware that our planet Earth is in danger. We all take up the responsibility to stop global warming, to prevent the suffering of future generations. We are already late, but we can try to reduce these effects as much as possible. Let us join hands for a better world. Thank you for sparing your valuable time and hope my words inspiring you all to consider taking steps for a better future. Thank you. Have a grateful day.